Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is upgrade the headlights and tail lights on my John Deere 870 tractor. So let's take a look at the headlight bulb. So this is the regular halogen bulb, and this is the new replacement LED. You can see the difference is phenomenal. And you can see the halogen versus the LED, and the LED is 10 times brighter. And taking a look at the tail light, I've already replaced this one with the LED, and this is the halogen. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot of difference, but in person, this here's probably 2 or 3 times brighter. So I've actually bought 3 different types of bulbs for the flashers. What's happening when I put the LED bulbs in is it's staying really dim, it's not getting bright and flashing. There's other issues with LEDs where they what's called hyper flashing, where you actually have to put in a load resistor. The last bulbs that I've actually tried are supposed to have that all built in without any success, so stay tuned for these. I'm still going to look into swapping those out. So there's the new LED bulbs versus the old halogen bulbs. So we're going to pop the hood and install this one. Alright, so there's where your bulb's at. So you actually remove this dust boot, and you're going to twist off the socket. It kind of locks in, and then you're going to turn the bulb and pop out the bulb. So we're going to do that next. And I've got the bulb out, so I'm going to put in the new LED. And you can actually see the difference in size, so make sure you have enough room for this. I measured, and I have just enough room to pop this in. This is like a heat sink on the front. And the bulb's in. And we have the socket on, and you can pull up the dust boot. And the dust boot's on. And there we go. It's a little bit of a bugger trying to get the bulbs in and the socket on, but you can usually figure it out. There's 3 little parts where the socket kind of turns into, so it just takes a minute to get them in the right spot. And again, you can see the nice white light. Alright, so we're going to do the tail lights. And when you take these off, just be careful of your gasket. So there's the old halogen bulb. And that's just showing the difference between the LED and halogen. That's a package. And that's the before. Can't get any simpler than this. Done. And you can see the difference with the LED bulb in there. It's a nice bright white light. And there we go. Alright, so we'll try it out tonight and see how they work. Alright, let's see how bright these are. That's fantastic. Yeah, that's showing the rear marker lights, how bright they are. Now it's hard to show on video how bright these are, but I really want to do a lot of plowing this winter, and these are going to be great for plowing early in the morning or late at night. I would say these are literally 10 times brighter than the old halogen. And again, we're going to look at trying to find some proper LED bulbs for the markers, but they're fine for now. They're nice and bright. Nice thing with LEDs, they use a lot less energy and they don't get as warm. And next we're going to look at seeing if we can get some of these dash lights working, other than your oil and whatnot. I want to see if there's any bulbs in here to replace, because it'd be nice to have that actually lit up. So again, all the bulbs I purchased off Amazon. I've left picture and pictures of what I purchased. So this is definitely a cheap upgrade and certainly worthwhile. And I'll keep all the old bulbs in case I want to go back to original, but I want them to be nice and bright for plowing is the main thing, and you can certainly see the difference. And again, the tail lights are nice and bright too. If you got to go anywhere to get fuel or on the road or whatnot. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Certainly helps the YouTube analytics and lets me know that you want to see more videos on this. So we're going to have quite a video series on the old John Deere 870. Again, if you have any questions, comments, tips, suggestions, or whatnot, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.